Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, February 20th. Here's the quote of the day. A cage went in search of a bird. Franz Kafka. Think about that. Okay, let's go to the schedule. We're in the middle of the 5th week. So make sure that you start the discussion on chapter 3 of MacIntyre. It's due the end of the week. And the descriptive essay, the final draft, putting all 3 pieces together and putting them in one file. It's due by Monday at 6 a.m. There's been some questions about the 4 SRA, so let's look at this for a minute. So this is the 2 descriptive paper, a report format pre-writing exercise. So look over the 2 descriptive exercises you did and use the items on the report format page right here, these items, okay, to gather information, to make notes from the data you collected in the 2 descriptive exercises. Create a document where you list your notes grouped under the 5 sections. There are 5 sections here in this report format. These notes then can be used to formulate the 2.3 report of findings. Okay, so this is like you're doing an experiment here, the 2.1 experiment and the 2.2 experiment, and then what you're doing is you're taking notes using this format here. It's an intermediary step between doing the experiment and writing the report. You take notes on your data that you collected from your experiment here, the 2.1, 2.2. And those notes are the 4 SRA. And then you take those notes to help you write 2.3. Okay? Make sure that you look at the report format. That's what I want you to use, these 5 areas. Okay? Excuse me. Let's go back to the schedule. And here, let's look at the discussion. This is T2L. Go to discussions, communication, and then discussions, and scroll down to week 5. Here. I'm sorry, here, week 5, chapter 3. So start these discussions. Pick 3 of these 6 discussion questions to work out in this. And this is due by the end of the day on Friday. Okay, so make sure that you do this. Okay, here's the question of the day. When is the first draft of the complete 2 descriptive paper due? It's due by Monday. Post it to me, shared with me, or post it to Google, shared with me and your peer partners. Okay, remember how to find your peer partners. There's a link on the there's a link here. Here. There's the link. So make sure that you look at that when you share your paper with us. Okay? All right. Thanks. Bye.